live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, looking forward to looking at the charts because I have no idea. Hold on, let me close something. I have no idea what happened last night. I didn't get to watch. I didn't tune in. So I'm in the dark. Start with the 15-minute chart. We just swept the Asian session lows. Where are those lines? Oh my God, it just deletes every time. I don't get it. Don't get why my lines always get deleted. It's kind of weird, but that's okay. I'll just put in some new ones. Let's take a look at this move here. That's interesting. Don't really have a an uptrending line that I could put in yet. So gotta wait for that to happen. Watching gold. So what do I see on the 15-minute chart? We are near the London session highs. But with that being said, we only swept the Asian session lows, so we're under previous day's close. And we are under the previous day's high. Those dashed lines there. And trading at VWAP. Well, we haven't done a lot of trading at VWAP, eh? Let's mark the midnight open. Trading at the midnight open, which is right on VWAP. Well, there's a couple of draws here to where the liquidity could be, and that's one above. It's like yesterday. One obvious draw is to the upside. Take out yesterday's high. That would be a fade trade for me. But the problem is we have yesterday's close right under it. That could cause it to be a little bit, act a little bit funky. And on the other hand, the London lows, I would say, are a more likely scenario. So I'm thinking today, that's the wrong one. Maybe it's this one. I'm thinking today we do something like this. We got Friday's low around there, eh? Well, that'll be it for me. That's enough prediction. So I'm thinking they make up above London highs and then trade lower. And most of that is just based on the fact that we are under the previous day's close. We're gapping. I know there's a lot of people who trade the fill the gap, fade the gap trade. So that's why I think we're going to see some pressure to the upside. And I think once that's taken care of, this downtrend might likely continue. But that's only a guess. We are also inside this range here, which is all based on highs and lows that occurred multiple times. You know what? I don't know why that one isn't projecting out into other charts. Let me see if I could do that. All charts. There we go. Maybe that's why they're disappearing, because I deleted on one chart, and since it's an alt chart thing, it goes. So, in summary, I am mildly bullish for the open. I'm not drawing in on the 1 minute. For maybe the first 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and then expecting us to trade lower. Yeah, I don't want this on all charts. I think it's good enough just for me to see it on the 30-minute chart. Too distracting. Properties, 30-minute. Thank you. Good enough. Open it up so we can see. Well, hold on. Let me just get an idea what the 30 minutes is doing. Still climbing from the decline we had. Made back about a third of it. And now we're in this zone. Broke it a little to the downside. Trading at the lower end of it. Everything and anything is possible. Eh? We can rotate higher. So I think I'm going to stop stressing and trying to figure out where we're going to go. And just get to the charts. What's the volatility? 6. The volume is low at 230,000. Hey, Mr. Let go. Where's my time? Put the time in the right place. I'm going too fast. That's funny. Hold on. Was green. I was watching it on the wrong screen. Okay, we got the time. That should be good. Give me a second. Well, gold could potentially be getting ready for a trade. I just need one more thing to set up on that. I could take it over here, no? I think I can. I'm back on my super sensitive mouse. Threw the other one away. Let me check my scenes, make sure they're all working. Okay, we're all set up. My strategies are set up. It's 9:17. Let's get the opening drive ready to go. I'm not sure if the chart is correct. So, we're waiting for the opening drive play. We're going to be watching on the 1 minute. I do think we're going to do a little bit of a head fake higher based on the 15-minute chart. But I think the most likely draw right now, just given the fact that we didn't trade into the Asian session highs, we only traded the Asian session lows, but I think the likely draw is to the downside. This makes more sense. Gold's opening in a few minutes. Could be forming a type of head and shoulders also, eh? What is it? Control F4. Let's try. Nope. Control 4. I always forget. What do we got here? Should make it thicker. So that's another reason why I think we're going to head. But now we're still into the shoulder, so that's another reason why I think we head higher a little bit in the morning. Good morning. Printing money already? Yeah, printing $94. Setting up my charts. Gotta trade a little more aggressive. Gotta try to turn on the money printer. See what we can do. Believe it or not, that's from gold. No, not entirely. Partially from gold. Gold's moving. Gold's making a little bit of move on the downside. Keep watching it, but I'm unable to go long, so until I can go long, I don't think I'm going to be doing anything. I missed the long trade on that. Good morning, James. I'm watching gold again, just to let you know. Party time. Are we? No, 8 minutes till party time. How you doing this morning? Do your hands smell like mahogany teak wood? Okay, gotta get organized in my head. That's a good account to trade, I guess, as any. I gotta set it up to at least a 3 lot. I have no ATM strategy, it's gonna get in my way. Opening drive is gonna trade on 102, Sim 102, so we gotta set that up. Reggie's gonna trade on Sim 101, but we'll watch that later. Right now it's short bias. There's another screen you guys are on. We're on the split screen. Widen that up to the 1 cam. So this is the 15-minute chart here. And you can see what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to draw higher. Could be wrong, obviously. It's just a guess. Not even a prediction. Trading off it. I'm not going to be taking the long trades because I think it's going to go there, and I'm not going to be taking short trades below. I'm just going to be following my system, set up whatever trade it gives me. As long as I don't find a reason not to take the trade, I'll take the trade. But if I'm not going to do long, just under previous day's close. I'm going to take a long, take a short, trigger. Just above the London lows, but right now we're heading towards the London low, so I'm thinking maybe the fake out will be exact inverse of, maybe the games they play will be the exact inverse of what I'm looking at. They're going to sweep these lows here, or just this internal liquidity. We'll see. I mean, you got draws on both sides, so the longs have stopped, the shorts have stops. Most of the inventory overnight's been short. I was thinking I was going to take 5-point trades on the automated system, but I'm going to get too many entries. Get rid of that. I'd rather just look at gold. But these lines don't seem to hold gold in enough. Gold does this too many times. I don't know if you can see the chart. Open this up here. Yeah, gold too many times is able to just go get over these bands. These bands is it really? Sorry, yeah, you're right. Oh, and I didn't do a mic check. Sorry, I was enjoying. Okay, sounds good. Let me just see if Windows decided to lower my mic settings, but lately it's been good. Lately they've been holding it at 81, 80, 81, 80. There we go. Perfect. Go back to the one it was party time, yeah. Well, I was enjoying it. Anyways, so that's my little theory on gold there. These bands might not be holding the trend strong enough. I might have to maybe just move the displacement over by 3 more bars. What am I doing? If that's a 33, I can go as far as, oh my god, I have lots of room for displacement. I usually very often I put displacement on the linear regression curve. Okay, but we're not going to look at that. We're going to look at the opening drive. Get ready. 3 minutes. Go to the split screen. We can see that both. The 1 minute chart. See what trends we got. Let me remove some drawings here. I don't even know. I guess they're from last night. I probably was just testing because I don't think I traded. And let's see if I have anything to put in. I have nothing to put in right now. The only ones I have are violated. So they're irrelevant at this time. Maybe I can get away with this one, but it's so too flat. Not big on that. Okay. Oh, look what I got. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it, but I have a potential long on gold soon. I hope I see it. I hope I see it. Let me set up the chart trader. Someone's sending me hearts. My wife's in the room. Or someone's learning a new feature. Let's trade gold on the other chart if I do happen to take it. Okay. I'm looking at the 5 minute. See if we're going to sweep those London lows. Market's open in 1 minute. Didn't really have too much of a little bump there on the 928 imbalance report for NQ. So opening drive could be the first trade, and I do want to trade that, right? So I'm going to take it in this account. I'm going to trade it for a 2 lot. I think that's the size that I determined to be 2 micros on a 250K account. Can you believe it? I think that's what you need. And that's the same account maybe that's going to be trading gold. Hurry, hurry. No, I'm going to move my gold trading over to another account. Okay, I'm kind of ready. Not used to this, not jumping into the opening moves in the first few seconds. Used to be my favorite trade. Well, we can potentially get the short set up. Gold is long, and I'm watching for a short. Actually, would be a top step trade too. Hey, gold didn't fill me, bugger. Okay, there. I did a force fill. I bought the ask. Still watching for the short setup. Not crazy where it's going to happen because it's going to be right near the US session lows. But okay, good. It's moving a little bit higher. I'm watching gold out of the corner of my eye. Gold can shoot up $1, $2, $3. I won't complain. Okay, so new US session highs. Just let me see the 15-minute chart. Yeah. My diagram is kind of off already for the head and shoulders since we broke the shoulder. Gold's coming back down. We'll watch it. I have an early setup, so I took it for a 3 lot. Wow, that's a pretty big loss for an early setup, $76. And now I'm going to get another one right away. It just managed to perfectly tick me out. The perfect setup will be at 40. We got to get 40 to hold. We just got 40 to hold. So let me add to my trade. Now we got to get down to 33 bid, 37, 40, wrong way, 41. Don't like we're holding in the 40s, 38, 37. We saw 37. I'll take a piece off. I'll take another piece off at 33 bid, which we just saw. Still watching gold. Next stop is 26. That's 26 right there, even better than 26. And this one I'm going to hold. We'll just let it go. Opening drive is going to enter. Let me see, my counts are kind of screwed up. I don't know I don't know which one I want to trade opening drive on at this point. Anyways, does it really matter? Sort of, right? So I'll leave that one there and I'll take the opening drive trade for a 2 lot. I'll enter in if I can right here. That's a little early. Will I get a better price? I never get a better price when it's early. Let's see. What does opening drive get filled at? Boom, 21, and I'm at 16. Let's go lower. I'll take a piece off. No, don't do that. Gold went under. Yeah, Sparky. Gonna close gold right now because it's a distraction. We broke the London session lows. I don't like how I'm positioned in the opening drive. I would have been much happier. See, that's already 1 strike against me for perfect trading today. I broke the rule. I got in early. Not that it would have made that much of a difference. A couple of ticks, but still would have made a difference. $30 at 20. I'll get an entry. Oh, it's true. I have another account that also has a trade. I had a really good trade and I forgot about it. It's too bad. Yeah, I need 2 separate charts, I just realized. Let me draw in on the picture-in-picture chart the 50%, because I like to add it to 50%. I think I just missed my opportunity. But it's going pretty aggressively. It's been 2 days now. It ticks you in and then just rotates strong and hard to the other side. How much time? 18 seconds. So I can enter in because I have 18 seconds. If it manages to get above and close above, it'll stop out and I'll get out. And if it doesn't, and if it rotates lower because it does that little fake out, well, that'll be good for me. So that was a good trade right there. It wasn't even at the 50%. It was at the 100%. Let me just take a quick look, see what Reggie's doing. Reggie might be switching over to a long bias, but I'm just hoping to minimize the damage here on the opening drive play. Let's get down to 440. 440 is the 50% line. That's more than doable. Come on, one more. Shit, we haven't opened it. We have a bullish fair value gap. Let's at least dip into it by a couple of points. Okay, I'll accept that as the loss. And now I'm holding a 2-lot, believe it or not, all the way up there. Short, not bad, huh? So now the opening drive actually performs. I just missed a short trade. Shorts are on 33. Yeah, if opening drive performs, goes all the way back down, I won't be in such bad shape. And if opening drive gets stopped out for 3 days in a row, for a loss 3 days in a row, that's fine too. Sim 101, that looks like somebody traded. Yes, my automated strategy over here traded. I'm gonna have to take a look at it, but that's later. Hey, good morning, Woodchip. I'm long. Yeah, that was the kind of bias I was thinking it's going to happen, but we're bumping up now into VWAP. And the midnight open is not too much higher. So we swept the London lows. I have a little bit of time to take a look at my 15-minute chart. Yeah, even we swept even the head and shoulder, the head of the head and shoulders. Okay, this guy can go. This projection was off, but I did say there was draws on either side. London highs, London lows, gap fill. A lot of things that people can be thinking. That trade is out. So, oh wow, look at that. Hey, my close button isn't working. There we go. 939, an erratic candle like that. That was weird. $48. I don't know, I might have been up on that account. I don't remember. But anyways, only down a little bit. Can't complain. For an opening drive failure. Tomorrow, hopefully, will be a better day. I'm going to set up my gold chart. See when the next long, but a long on the wrong side, so I'm not going to take it. Opening drive is finished. What could we be looking for now? NAS, the first inside bar for NASDAQ, which we haven't had. That was a nice dip into the fair value gap. It's a good thing I got out. What chip is long? Yeah, I kind of still do have a long bias up to a point. I think it's just up to the previous day's close. But I'm not going with any biases. I'm just trading. And right now, I have an entry that I got in a little late, which means I got a much better price and it stopped me out, and thankfully I got in late because the loss would have been bigger. Oh man, the inside bars are so quick. Almost impossible to get into. You really got. I need an audio alert for them. It's also in the opposite direction of. Yep, no, I gotta get out of the inside bar trade, and I'll tell you why. Topstep is long, the algo trader is long. Hey, Joker, I haven't had time to open up other stuff yet. Good morning, good morning. Just stopping in to say hello. Hey, that's nice of you. Perfect. I'll come by later also. I'll open up. I'm just trying to get organized in my head here. The Nasdaq inside bar trade did well. That's marked off with the green candle over there. No, I don't need that one anymore. I can remove that. We're coming down to the bullish fair value gap, the first fair value gap. And I would say I have a bearish bias right now. Even though the algo trader, which is up in the picture is bullish. Trend lines are bearish. Same. I muted you for now. Shoot me a message in chat and I'll unmute. No problem. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the bearish bias here. See if we get an entry. Looking closely, hopefully we get some continuation. 20-point range on the 1 minute candles, that's not bad. There we go. 4 lot, that's the right size. Okay, now let's extend down to 25 bid. You're going the wrong way, 36 bid. I want to see 25 bid. Oh, I realized what I just did. That was an error trade. Let's get the tracking on the algo. That was an error trade, but the next one, which is this one, is not an error trade. Now I want to see 35 bid. No, actually what I want to see is 47 minus 14, 33. I was going to say this one kind of needs to go because I'm getting close to my my daily loss limit of $500 on this account. So thankfully that one went well. Actually, that was a good recovery trade. Gold got me for a trade, which was surprising. But that's okay. I don't have a short. And gold's coming up the previous day's close. No kidding. Algo trader took a loss. Broke the US session lows again. So how many times did I tell you guys we do that? We break it by 4 or 5 points, and then we rotate higher. We do it again, rinse and repeat. They get the people chasing, the breakout traders, they go up, they stop them out. They get them chasing, they go up, they stop them out. It's a very predictable pattern. Does it happen all the time? Of course not. Nothing happens all the time in the markets. But it happens often enough for you to know to stay away. It's too bad I made that error on the trade before. Yeah, I can't get in anymore. That would be the chase. Because that error probably cost me 100. And if I didn't make that error, let's see if it says spam. Likely spam. I'm not recognizing it, so I'm not getting it. Leave a message. Well, the overall bias is bearish. Like I said, we never swept the Asian session highs, so for me that's a bearish signal. And we're also below VWAP, below previous day's close. So my target is going to be the previous day's low if it's not too far away. It's only about 100 points away. One, if we do get there, that's a fade trade. So we'll be watching for that. 292, I should mark that in my head. And we're bouncing off this level here that I marked on the 30-minute chart and trading lower, which I also figured would cause a little bit of distress for the direction that we were trading, for the recovery that was being attempted. What did we do? We got 33% about of the move. Not even 33% if I were to draw fibbling. Yeah, so there is still some room to move to the upside, but we first got to get through this little zone over here. This is the 30-minute chart. Let's get back to the 1 minute and wait for a setup. Algo trader bias short right now. Top step charts short. Wow, it's too bad I didn't catch the gold move to the downside. I had a long trade, so that kind of interfered with that. Oof. I remember why I didn't like the oversensitive mouse. Okay, I can have a potential short setup. It's kind of near the low, but if we're going to see continuation, come on, fill me. That's one. Give me a second one. What was it? What number is that? 91. Let's see, 84. 85 bid is good enough. I covered too much. I only wanted to cover one, but what can you do? Another mistake. You know what? It's coming back. Let me take that back. Just in case it goes back down again. I should be in 2. Turns red. That's good enough. Okay, I played that for a few points. Wiggled and jiggled my way through that one. Now let's see how far. Let's see if we can get a 40-pointer out of this. A 40-pointer, 80 bucks. I'll be happy with that, even though it's a one lot. My stop is at 98. It's got to hit 98 and hold. I'm short at 94. So I'm kind of risking just 4 points right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. A 40-pointer. That leaves me 26 more points to go. Approximately 26. So let's say 350. We can hit 350. It's going. 360. Should I not be greedy? 364, 365, 368. See, I don't want to give back that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might have to. I'll take 370 if they give it to me. They gave me 370. Okay, well, that was still a decent. It was still a decent trade. I would have taken 360. It's too bad I didn't get filled. And we'll see if we get another entry. Once again, we're going to have a potential entry on the Algo Trader, and Crude's first trade was a loser. Short on that bar. Crude hasn't been doing that well lately, actually. Was that my move up? Early entry. Let's get 77. Let's get down to 63 bid. Come on, 63 bid and hold. I'm short at 67. Only 4 points. 63. Did it hold? It didn't hold. Didn't hold. 63 bids got to hold. It held. There we go. So I'm in good shape now. 63. Next stop, 56 bid to hold. I'll take one off. Come on, Mikey, stupid mouse. Good enough. Hey, even better, 54. I'll buy the ask because I want to get filled. Well, didn't have time to cancel that one. And let's see if we can pull some dollars out of this one. I mean, minimum, yeah. I was going to say one more. That move over there to 49. Come on, it's so fast. Shit, damn. Go back down to 49. Let's go back down to 49. 53.50, I'll take it. And now I can let this one go with my one lot that's left. My hand is off the mouse. It's a manual stop. I can't manage it. I can't manage it the way the system is set up with an automated stop. So what did I say was the fade trade? Yeah, right there on the 15-minute trade at 292. We're still 50 points away. Let's go. Let's just make a dump here for 292 in one shot. I'm hanging on to this one. 74, 80 bucks. Look at it go. 20. How many points do I have on it? Oh, I have more than 40 points. Finally. So I get 50 points. 50 points I'm going to take. I see 100, I take it. Close enough. Give me 100 points. There you go. 100 points. 100 points. $100 on one lot. What more can you ask for? I tell you what I could have asked for, a setup in the algo trader that I could have jumped in on. Oh yeah, the pay trade, don't forget about it, eh? Wake up, wake up, wake up. That is not very likely gonna just blow right through that. I don't take the fade trades with really large size, but don't catch falling knives. This isn't a falling knife trade. This is a bounce off the previous day's low, which is that red orange dash line. 23 points range on the 1 minute candles. That's pretty decent. Let's get a little lower. There's going to be another push. $10 o'clock in 1 minute. That was what the alert was. The slopes of gold are friggin' steep. When I mean steep, they're steep. Come on, 4 seconds, because I have an entry. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Let me get in. Let's just 10 o'clock pass. 10:04, nothing crazy. I can get in. The entry was 14. I'm long at 18. Short at 18. They took me out for they took me for a spin on this one. It's okay. They can't all work out, right? Still no fade trade off the previous day's low. That's too far away to call that a fade trade. We need to tap it. Watching gold seems to keep doing the same thing. The bounces. There we go. Let's get down to 21. One more, 21. It's not too much to ask. 21. 21. No, wrong way. gotta go towards that previous day's low. I'm worried for a momentum candle. A bullish one, even though I'm short. Shit, I had 80, I should have taken it. Not crazy about this trade. I'm getting out. Took too long, it should have gone. And I'm worried for a little bit of bullish momentum. I'm probably going to regret getting out early. It's going to go, looks how close we are to 21. Went back up again. Trying a small long in gold. I think I can qualify it as excellent, excellent, excellent. Excellent, what do I mean by excellent? Excellent didn't go down. So I have another opportunity. Let me see here. Right there. Yeah, that was the pop I was worried about. Also, 49. Now we get to get to 50. No, 35. We're 5 points away. What? I'm not short at 49. I'm short at 40. You're right. I am short at 40. That's where I'm supposed to be short at 40. Oops. That was a crazy click. Come on. Give me an opportunity. That was an accidental click. That stupid mouse, it worked out in my favor, but I'm back to my crazy clicking mouse. There we go, 35. Let me see if I can add to this trade. It has to be higher than 35. That might have been my opportunity. Now we got to get down to 28. Let me see 28 bid. Wrong way. There we go, we're back down. You know what, forget the ad. I'll take a 2 off at under 28, 29.50, 28, that's it. Now I'm holding 2 and let it go, we'll see what happens. Let's see what it can give me. Oh my god, algo trader short too. So is this going to be where we make the run now to the previous day's low? I can see it coming. If algo trader is short, we're getting a move. In 2 seconds, it's going to draw in picture in picture. There we go. It just drew in the take profit and the stop loss lines. Take profit line is the blue down here. Picture in picture, the smaller window. Let me move it away from the time remaining. All you got to do is we just got to tap it. I'm going to get in and, get out. I don't know. I did a little bit of a recovery on that account. Not too much. So far, Sim 101 is what's trading the algo trader, and it's down 17 points. Yesterday it had a losing day. One of the rare losing days, but it had a losing day. Took a trade in gold, and I am looking, wow, I have everything screaming right now to enter somehow, some way. Just gonna wait for the trigger because we could move a little bit higher. And there we go, I got my trigger. I got my trigger. Take a little piece off. There we go. Perfect. 21. If I got 21, I have a 70% chance for 14. See, 14 bid. It's only 70%. It's not 100%. Remember. Let's go. 14 bid. 14 bid. 14 bid. I'll take another one off because that's a 70% chance. I'll take a piece off on that 16 bid. I saw. I didn't see 14. We're back up to 23. Gold's doing good. It's up $26. I'm taking small positions, and I don't like the way it's going. The stop out on this is 35. We have to get up to 35 and hold. And it is so close. And that's it. It's out. Okay, it's out. But gold's doing well for me. Maybe I'll just hold it and see what happens. I'll just hold it and see what happens. Anybody new in the room? Hit the subscribe button. It's easy. Put your mouse over the button. Click it. I do the rest. Oh, don't forget the like button. I'm enjoying trading today. Remember, we are short still on the Algo Trader. The picture-in-picture, the small chart here. Algo Trader is highly accurate. The probability of the blue line, which is the take profit line, being hit before the stop loss line is very high. And I have another short. I got to get up to my 4 lot. If I can get my price, I see price moving in the wrong direction, which is good. Means it's going to give me an opportunity to get in. 23, 24. I didn't want 23, 25, 20, whatever. I wanted 25. 21. Looking for 14 bid. Don't do this to me twice. Not twice in the same place, but I won't get frustrated. If I get frustrated, I'm going to take a walk. Let's get back down. Do you know what? At that level, I just lowered my risk because this is an area that's showing there's a little bit of a battle. And the reason why there's a little bit of a battle is I'm sure they're seeing the previous day's lows right there, and they know that's a bounce area. That's just my take on it. So, wow, that's amazing. I'll leave it. I'm still looking for 13 bid. 13 bid, there it is, I think, right? 11 bid. Okay, I'll get out on that one piece, and then we'll let it go. I'm good now. I'm golden. 50% was the, well, we passed through the 50% already, and I have to cover because I want to trade I want to take a fade trade. The Algo Trader is going to get out when this candle closes. It's going to be in profit. It touched the line. I think I missed the fade trade. Even though we didn't poke through it, we got close enough to it. There you go, the Algo Trader. Algo Trader brings, that was a nice one. When it's shorted at 32 and covered at 12, 20 points. Excellent. We were down 13, 17, I don't remember. Made it all back. Got back in gold. That's that $9 profit you're seeing over there. A 3 lot. Kind of dizzy. Looking everywhere. Trying to figure out. You know, gold wants to give me $24, so I think I'm going to take it because I want to focus on my other. Thank you very much. Long? Is that even possible? No kidding. Look at that. Look how fast the Algo Trader switched over to long. That's interesting. Algo Trader long. One-minute candle. Oof. Close to maybe being a long. But Topstep X is short. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break, and hopefully when I come back I'll see more clearly. Make sure I don't have any positions in my accounts. I'm gonna click on positions. There's only one position, SIM 101, that's perfect. Just the way I wanted it to be. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. What did I miss? I missed a little bit of consolidation. Oh my God, I missed the touch. Did I leave at the wrong time? That's okay. You know what? It's not one of my main trades. But I told you, when you're coming from far away and you're going to touch the previous day's low or the previous day's high, I can't recall the last time I saw us just trade right through it. Maybe if Trump, what's his name? Maybe if Stumpy says something crazy, you'll blow right through it the first time, but you need a major catalyst for that to happen. I have a short trade. Did I get filled? Shitty fill. I'm supposed to be short at 07. Oh, 06.75, not so bad. Hopefully now we're supposed to get down to the 300. Exactly. That's a 70% probability trade to get down to the 300s before we get to 321. I know it's a weird skew. There's the 300s, but at least we know it's a 70% chance. I just took a small piece out. I'll trade larger again. I'll get bigger. Don't worry, I'll get bigger. Just waiting to get away from this area here now because this is a bad area. So it's not an omen, but it's just not really a good place. It's not a good place to be going short right on that candle. 300, 293 bid. 96, points, 96, 93, 92, taking it, I'm out. That's a 14-point winner. I'm good with the 14-point winner. Oh, shit, really, it's way too, I gotta bring that up. Remember this account here, this Apex account that's up 274 now was down 300, I think. Wow. What's most disappointing is, I wonder if I change that. What's most disappointing is that I'm gonna have to make your screens look weird for a second. Bear with me. I just want to see something. I want to see if something changes in angle. If I open it up more, I'm curious. This is my curiosity here. If I put that there, does it change the angle? Nope. The line stays where it is. Okay, so I like that. The lines are the angles are constant. Because if I draw a manual trend line, I think it's F2. You know, if I make a trend line like that, and I just put it there, I can make, you know, the wider I make it, I lose the slope. It starts to slow, and if I make it really tight, the slope over here, see, at one point it was like 30 degrees, now it's 70 degrees. Yeah, so at least I know this one stays the same. Oops. Let me get rid of it. There we go, and now you can have regular charts back. Sorry for screwing up the charts for you there for a little bit. I hope none of you were overly traumatized. Breaking lower now. See, now we can break through it. The fade trade doesn't qualify. What does this look like on the 30-minute? What are we doing? Yeah, we're dropping off that area that I marked off, eh? We sold off twice from that area. So that's why I marked it off like that. I made it quite a big range because, you know, we have these lows here, and these things are never single-priced concrete walls. They're areas, they're ranges. I guess we can get back into looking for decent setups. I was kind of thinking about shorting gold, but I don't think that's really. I need still need shorts. The shorts are better. I need a longer term bias on gold. I need like a higher time frame to look at. I don't really have one. I'm just trading right off the lower time frames, and I'm not too crazy about that. Got filled on gold. That looks like a good trade. I like it. 3 lot. I don't have a setup for NQ. NQ is short, but I don't have a way to enter. Algo Trader took a loss on the long. It only takes 1 trade. So we're gonna wait for Algo Trader to convert to a short bias. And there's really nothing else for me to do. I mean, I could start trying to track when the next trend change will be. That's kind of one there, but it kind of got broken. Cancel, so I'm not really wild about this one. I'll put it on just for reference. I guess it's this one that's going to be now the primary slope, the primary line for us to watch. Well, since we rotated lower from 310, we're not getting much of a move back up. Not giving me opportunity to try and get in. Gold is taking some from me. Gold is trending lower and gave me a decent trend, but is it going to give me continuation or is it going to slap me? We will see. Algo trader is short biased. Let's see if we can eventually get a setup to the downside. It's down 20 odd, well maybe not 20 odd points because the commissions are in there also. Okay, well, I'm gonna take him if we get an entry on. We're gonna sit up a little bit because this is a little exciting trading here. That's the gold. It's up 18. I don't know how I am in the camera, but let's go gold. Give me a setup in Nasdaq. I'm doing all this, and believe it or not, I'm a little bit dizzy. Come on, gold. Let's tank to 3,015. Looking at the 1 minute, so we solidly broke through the previous day's low. Well, we can have a move back up there for a bounce. That would be a bounce trade. Get up there, rotate lower again. That's it. Gold is the one that you see. Well, it was up plus 18. Now it's down 3. No, gold's going the wrong way again. Algo traders getting ready for a trade. Come on, gold. Give me a move. Gold gives some really good moves sometimes. Let's go. There we go. Back. I wanted to maybe add to the trade, which is never a good idea because I always get punished when I add, but let it go. Let it go. Okay, I may have a early entry. That's it. That's the early entry. It's 55. I'm in at 55. It's perfect. Now I got to see 50 bid. $50, $59, $60. It's a large stop this entry. The early entries are a little bit painful sometimes if I get stopped out on these for a 4 lot. You're gonna get me. Maybe I should stop the early entries. It depends on how much extra they're giving me. I think I have to pay attention to that. It's so close to getting stopped out. So close. So close that I'm going to add, because if it reverses, the sellers come back in, it will be good for me. And if I lose on that extra piece, which is so very likely, almost there, it hit the stop, but it didn't hold. It's got, oh, there we go. It hit the stop and held. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, took some money, took a lot of money. It is what it is. So how much do they save me? You know what? I got to check how much those early entries save me. If it's going to save me like 10 points, I'll take it. But if they're just giving me a savings of, you know what? They're gone. I'm getting rid of that chart. I'm not even going to do it anymore. And I'll tell you why. I have enough trades. I don't need another reason to be entering into the market. I have enough already. I'm already overwhelmed. And it's not because it didn't work out. It's not because it did work out. It's too much. It's too much. Gold, let's see gold tank. Let's see gold go to 30.15. I mean, that's not a tank, but, you know, on my chart it is. No, I'm not going to add. I'm tempted to add, but I'm not going to add. I have a feeling it'll go, but you know what? Even if it goes with my 3 lot, that'll be enough. I was happy with what I had on that account. The early trade got me. The early trade got me. Beep, 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 beep. What is this? It's the wrong box. I have to fix this. Gold's IB is what? It's 820, eh? Do I have a template for that? I don't have a template for gold. That's weird. In the meantime, it's moving against me. Anybody in the chat know exactly what's going to happen next? Can anyone tell me what's exactly going to happen? Algo switched long. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Got out of gold. Gave me a little bit more. I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm not reeling from the fact that my early trade cost me a lot of my daily profits there. I'm still trading very small. I'm still trying to figure out how to track gold the best way. Still trying to figure out a few things. But we keep it on the picture-in-picture. We're looking here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I have to get in on this trade. I'm sorry. It's got a tight stop. Let me get that in. Hurry up. Stop loss. I'll stop right there. Booyah. 75 to 69. How much? Come on. Let this candle. Don't stop me out. Let this candle close, because then we should reverse and go back up. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Don't get excited. You know what? Let's move it a little bit away from there. I always want to lower risk so fast. This is there we go. Okay, now I lowered risk. Now that I lowered risk, this stop, I can change it, and now I can move. You know what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to move it just under the candle low. How much time's left in this candle? 25 seconds. You know what? If we can get to that candle low, which we shouldn't, sell stop. You have your charts open. That's an A+ setup, guys, what you just saw on the 1 minute chart. A+, and it's A+ for 2 to 1. So let me mark that in. I still got a 2 lot. Let me mark in the 2 to 1. I mean, sorry, 1 to 1. So the take profit is, oh wow, look where we got to go for the take profit. We got to get back over the previous day's low. It's going to happen. Sorry about the cough. What am I doing? Let's go. Let's get up to 98. It's not far away. What do I do? What do I do without you? What did I do? What do I do? You want to know what I was contemplating about? What do I do? Do I go long gold again? I went long gold. 3022.9. A very short-term trend was broken. Let's just see what it does. I'll tell you where my stop is. 3022.9, about $1. I'll risk $1. It's about a $30 loss. I'll put in my stop. I'll tell you where my stop is. My stop's at 21.7. I'm long at 22.9. That's $1.20. I don't even have to watch it. I'm not trading my Topstep X, and I keep forgetting. I missed like some really good entries. Gold is not being kind to me. I mean, I squeezed out some dollars, but gold's not been kind to me. It never goes as soon as I enter. It always retraces on me. Just a little bit to make me unhappy with the trade. Make me think I'm wrong. I'm not going to let this one turn into a loser. Wow, if it would have been a winner, it would have just gone right up to target there. Who's clicking the I love you buttons and the smiley faces? Who's laughing at me because my trades aren't going in my favor? Gold's going back up. Gold's at my entry. NQ is above my entry by 40. NQ you can see, gold you can't see. Gold's up. Gold's up by 40 cents over my entry. NQ is going to go hit my take profit. Everything's going to work out on this trade. Let's go gold. I got to get $2 in gold, 24.9. It's not that far away. We can do it. That stupid previous day's close is going to cause me a problem. Me too, I'm going to click the love button. There we go. Me too, I love. Full of love. Well, I'm not going to be greedy. You know what? What time is it? 10:36. Market should still go a little bit further, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 50, close, this close, get rid of the orders. I'm going to take the 50 over there because it's 50. And I'm going to try and take 20 out of gold or 30 out of gold. And that'll get me closer to my target. And I'll watch for the next trade. There we go. We're out of gold. We got paid a little bit, not a lot of bit, but at least it recovered from that early entry mistake. Well, it wasn't a mistake. Not even close to a mistake. It was perfect. It was just that, oh my God, look, I'm redlining on the volume because my, I'm pretty much sucking on it. When I sit back, when I sit back, what? When I sit back. That's enough. Algo Trader didn't go long, which is kind of good. You know what? Now we're going to stick to that level maybe like a magnet. If there's one thing you guys learn from me, it's that previous day's low and previous day's high when you come from far away. When you come from above, far away, and hit previous day's low, you definitely have a fade trade to buy it. It's not catching a falling knife. Oh my God. Did we get two of them? Wow, two back to back. Okay, I'm going long again. These are my strongest signals. I don't talk about them. I coded them, and they lose. But they're my strongest signals. I just don't like where I'm entering in on. It's just that stupid previous day's low. Go poke through it. Yeah, take a little piece. Every little piece is a little piece, right? It all adds up. It accumulates at the end of the day. Gold's going up nicely. 3024. I was long at 3022.9. I get it. That's hilarious. Yeah, we might get an algo trader entry. But guess where it's going to be? Right under previous day's low. Gold. What lessons have I learned from gold? Surprise, surprise, surprise. I can't even tell what my top step tray chart is supposed to be. It's too close on the line. Still short bias, and it's in a short trade. It's in a short trade right under the previous day's low. That's not a bad entry. 79 is the entry. If I can get an 84, that's 5 points better, right? 88. Hit the ask, man. I mean, it will stop out if it's wrong. I don't mind that, though, because the risk is so small. 79 to 83. 83's got to hit and hold. 93. If not, I'm golden. Of course, obviously, anything can happen, but I'm short at 89.50. We can go right back down to 79, which is the official entry. And 79, target is 72. $82. What do I have? I have a 2 lot. Let's get rid of 1. I got rid of 1. Target is 72. Going the wrong way. 80. I'm short at 89. An excellent entry because I saw it late. In this case, it worked out in my favor by 10 points. So I have a stop with a 14-point stop. I have a trade with a 14-point stop, and I caught it 10 points into drawdown, which left me with just 4 points. 4-point risk, and the TP on this is 17 points. So I got a 4-to-1, an easy 4-to-1. We just got to get the 72 bid and hold. There's a 70% chance. The statistics don't lie. It's 72 holds or we have to trade at 72 and hold or 93 and hold. If it goes to 93, I'm stopped out. I'm back over 200. That's terrible. And we're coming up to 11 o'clock. 72 bid. You know what? I'm not even going to wait for 72 bid to hit and hold. I'm just going to put in my buy limit. 71. 72.50. I'm front running it by a half a tick. Because normally I do that anyway. So let me pretend it in at 72. Ah, so close. It's okay. It is what it is. We're gonna let it run. Maybe we'll even add to it. I want it to take me out though because the algo trader is gonna go long, and I wanna ride the algo trader, so I'm out. I wanna ride the long of the algo trader. There goes the short. Algo trader. I need volume. We need to update some levels. Well, these levels are not magic levels. Look at gold. See, I'm missing the big moves in gold. I'm not holding it right. I got in at 22.9. Algo trader reverted to short. We do have a descending trend line. Gold got over the previous day's close. Finally looks like it broke the yeah, it looks like we might be heading lower. We never got over, never got one close. Above the previous day's low, so really all we got left to look at is previous day's low and an initial balance low. That's what we're trading off of. 11 points range on the 1 minute candles. Volatility is drying up. It's true, I didn't check in on crude, but you know what? Crude, I think the inventory report came out today, so crude's done. One trade, one loser. I'm just gonna check what gold might have done. There was one loser. That was a loser. Loser. That was a winner. That was a winner. So 2 winners, 2 losers, and let's see, we start at 9 o'clock. Hard to call, but break even. So gold looks like it would have been about break even if I was trading it with the algo. Algo trader switched to it was getting confusing. I'm looking at Nasdaq, it's going up, and then I'm looking at gold and it's going down, and I'm saying, hold on a minute. I thought one of my charts was on a delay. No problem. Okay, let's get focused again. Gold. Do we take it? It has a potential short trade. Let me go sell on the ask. If they give me the ask fill, I'll take it. A 3 lot at 323.6. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Can I say the trend changed? We're looking like a potential reversal off this fall that started as far as my chart goes. Well, no, it started at 840. Does that make this a good trade? No, it makes it a B trade. Should I be in a B trade? I'm short at 6. The bid is 3. Bid is 5, 7, 8, 7. Goodbye. I'm even out at a... It's just not a trade I want to be in. Well, my volume is low, so I'm going to play with my my spinner. Good thing I got out of gold. Algo's bias. You guys like my analysis? I'm trying to figure it out. You know what this means? It means we're long. We have a long bias, and that's not even looking at the algo trader. I was analyzing the 1 minute chart. That's how you analyze price action. Use your hands. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, gold I'm done with. Gold I'm done with. So you know what? I know exactly what I'm going to do with the gold chart. I'm going to get rid of it. I don't even want to look at gold anymore. Not that it's a distraction, but it's enough for gold. But look at the 5 minute charts. They both ES and MNQ traded through their previous day's lows. But I'd have to say ES looks stronger. And algo trader could be getting along. Am I screaming in the mic again? Algo trader could be getting along, and right at previous day's low, but from above, which is how I like it. I'm going to go in for a 2 lot because we broke the high of the previous candle. And then I'm going to add if it confirms. Oh, we're getting signals everywhere, so I have to take it. Everything is firing long right now. Top step just went long. I'm going to take it. I haven't taken a top step trade. I have a note on my computer to enter in my top step trades, and I've forgotten about this account. Order filled. There you go. Let's hope it works out. And in 9 seconds, the algo trader is going to go long with a 15-point target. So that means we should get up to 20,316. Let's hope it works out, because I added on everything. Really? It's going to be a case of, well, I have to get out of my pieces from the different systems. One system is out. I tried. I took my shot. I thought maybe it would go. It didn't work. I'm good with it. Everything was firing long. I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I'm thinking the algo trader is going to stop out for a small loss, or about a 4 or 5 point loss, I'm guessing. Yeah, it does. So I got to sell another 2, leaving me with 4. No, actually. Actually, I realized, no, I had a 4 lot on the top step system. Oh, no, it's that one too. Okay. No, I put in a big entry. Come on. That was just a fake out. I have a very good setup, and I want it. Maybe 7 is a little too much, because I can have as much as 6, so I can go for a 4 lot. Don't run without me. Please don't run without me. I'm entering in late. You see that? That was a chase, and it's going to hurt me. Look at that. You see, that was a chase. And the universe of traders just punished me. I'm still holding along. So what do we got? Let's do a re. Okay, it's kind of going. It's kind of going. Really, I have a 6 lot? I didn't even know how. Oh, I thought I had a 2 lot. I'm very disorganized again in the brain. So I want to be a 3 lot. That's okay. My top step trade is still going. The algo is bullish bias, so we're good with that. And we're trading above the top step system. Well, that's a let it. That's a just jump on the horse and let it go. So I'm letting it go. I think if I'm up 50 or 60 points, I'll take a partial, but it's long at 300 exactly. Well, 350. So I'm still long a 3-lot. And again, sorry, but I just have to keep reevaluating because this previous day's low is acting as a magnet and bringing price in. 15-minute. Well, if I'm going to make an argument, someone shows me the 15-minute chart just for today and says, "Bull, you're buying, you're selling." Well, I'm selling. No reason to buy here. Daily Heiken SG gives me a reason to buy. Daily non-Heiken SG gives me a reason to buy, but also gives me a reason to sell. The 50 just crossed the 200. Yeah, I'm not watching gold anymore. I just want to take a quick look. Okay, so what I have to figure out is what's the trade that I'm in right now. Am I riding the coattails of the top step trade? You're not going to give me an entry. The algo trader is not going to give me an entry because it already did. That's it. Takes one trade per side. The algo trader is doing down about 25 points today, so that's nothing special. I want to see at least 07, 314. I have a 50% probability that 314 gets hit before 300. That's a pretty good, right now at 303, that's a really good entry. But, oh no, sorry, I think I said it wrong. I said it wrong. You see the mistakes we make? That's why you do not copy my trades. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that makes mistakes. There's a 50% chance that 314 is hit before 293 is hit. So right now you have a 7-point risk approximately at 300 with a 14-point gain at a 50-50 chance. So you have a 2-to-1 trade right now with a 50-50 chance if you can get in at 300. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's good enough for me to even take it. I'm going to take that if I can get in. By the time I analyzed it, bid 300. It's close enough. Did they fill me? They didn't fill me. You can see, yeah, you can see they didn't fill me. But 50-50 with a 2-to-1. AOFT got chopped out with 3 accounts, max loss, but 1 trade if I payout secured. That's a good job. Did you get the issues solved with Rise? So we're at 308. That's 1-to-1 on that 300 trade there that I was talking about. Well, we're back down to the 300s. And I just got a message from Apex that paid over. Way to go. Do you have an alternative for Tradeify to get the money out? Come on, I want to see 314. You know what I find funny, though? The stop. It's not the greatest place. 293 is the stop, and it's above previous day's low. Okay. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. I thought the Coinbase was for Tradeify.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, as we're approaching, as we approach there, 314, I took a couple of pieces out on that pop. Sadly, Tradeify is favorite. Yeah. I find it so odd that they only have one alternative or one option for payouts. That's very limiting. I find it strange. Am I off balance? No, I'm not off balance, but I'm kind of distracted, so I'm going to take a look. We're forming a little bit of a bullish pennant here. I don't know. I guess we can call it. We're just slowly riding the slope of that trend line. And we are above previous day's low. I think that works that way. They have the funds there already, and that's why fast payouts. I have informed them, and I said that maybe PayPal or something else. Okay. Yeah, PayPal. PayPal is a good option. PayPal works. Who is it? Bulenox, I think, uses PayPal, if I'm not mistaken. The reputation that payouts are fast and rules are simple. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what they should at least, I don't know. Look, I'm not running their business. It's not for me to tell them what they should do, but they should have at least a backup option for people that something doesn't work through. There's always exceptions and people that have problems with certain things. They should have a plan B. Yeah, it is. It is a big market. Yeah, I got it. Okay, cool. A shitty 52 in top step. Did you go into their Discord to see if they're having a lot of their Discord, or I don't know, their X account, to see if they're having this problem with a lot of Europeans?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. I'm done with Top Step for tonight. Today, not tonight. Kind of really consolidating here. I like this though. I think it's very bullish. 1 2 1 2. This would be the third entry on the algo if I allowed it to take. Okay, back to normal schedule. You still have snow on the ground? Most of our snow melted. We had some warm days here, and then we had a snowstorm yesterday. Father Winter decided to push our face back into the snow. On the roads? No, I was talking on the roofs of the houses and on the there. Hold on. I'll take it long. I'll join in on the algo trader, even though it's red. +4 Celsius. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's better than us. No, I was talking about no snow on the road, on the roofs, and on the front lawn of the house. It's a 10-point. I need the other cursor. It's a 10-point range for this second or third trade. 009. It can get. Oh, look, and it just reverted. Okay, so how bad can I get out with a small loss? There we go. Got out at even. The reason why I got out, the algo trader just flashed a bearish momentum bias, so I'm gonna get out. Spring is coming. Yeah, it's on its way. Every day we're one day closer. Well, doing nothing right now. I'm out of my trades. Top step is long and I'm not in on it. And I'm not too sure. I can't read the charts right here. I got a lot of crisscross on my lines. Do you have Ruska? I don't know if I ever told you. I don't even know if I should tell you. My mother's from Russia. My mother's Russian. You just reminded me when you said, do you have Ruska? Yeah, we have Ruska. We call it fall. When everything turns yellow and orange and we go in the mountains to see the change of the colors of the leaves. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a small 3-lot here with the algo trader, but the algo trader's having a bad day today. 07, 11 at 18. If it hits 18, it's going to get out of this candle. 5 seconds. I'm in at a good price, so I'm doing better than the algo right here. 15, I'll take a piece off, lighten the risk. Ah, no, nah, we're not Russian. Not in any shape or form. My mother was Russian, and she moved to Poland when she was 7. By 11, she was... hold on. I think they were nomads. This is back in the 40s, eh? So the family was like nomads. The father was not from Russia. He found himself from Russia. He fell in love with a girl in Russia. I guess they're beautiful. Stayed there with her for about 7 years, you know, gave birth to my mother, stayed there for about 7 years. They moved to Poland because of the war. Then from Poland for a while, they were living on a boat. They almost died. I remember that part of the story. They landed in New York, and then they found their way here in Canada. And we're as Canadian as can be. We don't associate, never did, as even part Russian. I'm Canadian. Think of me as the Canadian futures trader, or are you Polish? I don't know, I'm everything, you know. If I were to send in my DNA, I guess I'm everything. My father also, look, it was wartime. And my parents weren't soldiers, they weren't politicians, they were the citizens that are running from the bombs and the bullets, trying to stay alive. In the 1940s. So my father also was bumped around from country to country. Not bumped around, he was fleeing. You know, they took what they can in a bag or a suitcase, and they left everything. Anyways, it saved their lives. And he found his way in Canada. Yeah, they both found their way here in Quebec, Canada, and they got married. Yeah. I don't know if this is worldwide, but in North America, in the old days, nobody does it anymore because they say it's not politically correct. But in the old days, they used to make fun of the Polish people. There was always a joke: if you were Polish, you were not so smart. I have no idea where that came from, but that was a joke that a lot of comedians would do. Now, comedians are afraid to open their mouths because they say anything that will... If they say anything that will offend anybody. Nobody watches. Well, not nobody watches them. You start to get protests. Hey, he's a bad man. He made fun of this person, this group, that group, this color, that color. This color of hair, that color of hair. Okay. Yeah, well, in Canada, Polish jokes were popular in the 1970s and 1980s. Not so much anymore. Now we pick on blonde girls. Those are the popular jokes. I don't know, guys. I'm looking around here and I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to get suckered into any trades here. I mean, look what we're doing since we kind of got to the previous day's low, which is that dashed line there on the 1 minute chart. We go up 15 points, come back down 15 points. Algo traders getting confused. Topstep not going anywhere. I don't see any carrot. I visited Poland. I don't see any carrot that you can wiggle in my face to make me take a trade right now. For the moment. I visited Poland once. We took a round trip with my wife. Nice looking country. Too flat for my taste. Yeah, it's chop. Absolutely makes my trade. Yeah, I would think Poland is nice. I'm curious about Germany, actually. I heard a couple of people say Germany is very, very nice. Gdansk. My parents were there. Yeah, it's too bad my mom's not alive. I would have asked her where she was born. She told me so many times, but my memory is so poor I don't remember. Maybe if I look on a map, I'll find it. It showed me also on the map. I think it was in the... If you're looking at a map, I think it was on the lower part of Russia to the, like near the border. Low and to the left, like bottom left. Yeah, this is what I want to see. Now, finally, I'm seeing something that maybe I could work with. I don't have a line for where I would get out, but we got to move below, we got to move here below the previous day's low. Maybe that was enough to shake the markets loose from that terrible price action we were seeing above it. Nothing, no potential there. Top step X is short. I'm happy with that. I took 65 out. It's not a lot, but keep moving forward, right? One step forward, one step forward. I'm not playing snakes and ladders anymore. Sliding all the way down to the beginning. I paid a lot of shows in Germany, and also I've been staying there on holidays. We went to concert. Wow, no kidding. I'm not a natural anything. I'm a natural follow what my I now follow or always follow what my top step chart says and my algo trader chart says. And they're both short. So right now I'm a natural bear. But I need a setup. I need a setup. And both of them require a retrace, so we're not getting that, so I can't enter. I can just watch. You have hope. I don't. I don't. I hope you're talking about the markets. I live on the dark side. You live in a beautiful country. What you do now is you go outside, you stand on the balcony, and you breathe in the fresh air. Star Wars, forget Star Wars. You probably have a beautiful night sky over there. Do you get to see the aurora boreal or whatever? I don't know what you call it. Here we call it the aurora, the lights in the sky when the when the what are they? The particles from the sun hit the magnetosphere? Or are you not in the right place for that? It's got to be where you are, or very close. Yeah, the Northern Lights. That's it. We get it here once in a while, but so light, like 10%. You don't see it with the naked eye. You need special cameras. Not special cameras. Cameras pick it up. You take a picture of the sky with your camera, you pick it up. Then you move your camera away and you don't see it. You think it's like, what? Is that fake? But then, you know, everybody else takes it with their cameras and it's all picking it up. It's funny how the camera lens picks it up. Hey. I'm thinking, if we end up staying friends, I might come visit you one day. All right, at least we'll go for a beer or a coffee if I'm in the area. Okay. We are getting a bit of a pullback. Retrace, whatever you call it. I call it a retrace. We'll call it a pullback when we're going up. I call it a retrace when we're going down. We're getting a bit of a retrace. Not enough for me to enter. I'm screaming into the mic again. That's okay. Yeah, well, nice. I'll learn how to drink. If you make me drink too much, you're going to be carrying a dead body out of the, well, I don't know what you call them. If you call them bars or taverns or brasseries. Maybe not a dead body, but a passed out body. We're getting a bit of a move back up to the previous day's low. Surprise, surprise. It's acting as a magnet. Wow, I'm surprised. 11:30. No kidding. Wow. Such nice police. That was a move with momentum. Some people would call it displacement. Well, I'm going to draw in a diagram because Nasdaq is just holding here. Where's my little pen? Rectangle. Let's start it and then stretch it. We're going to start it and stretch it. No, that's moving it. Yeah, I want to see how many points this is. Ah, fuck off. $320.260. That is a 60-point block that we've been in. We dipped out of it at 1020 a little bit, but since 10:30, it's been an hour, and it's all we've just been going nowhere. So I don't think I'm going to make a move again. I made one move today. I tried. That was somewhere here, I think in the long somewhere, but I got kind of faked out because the position was larger. I didn't want to take too big of a loss. Didn't work out. Ah, yeah, the police took a woman home. Big surprise. Will they take a man home? They'll probably push him over. Cops always stop for girls. My wife got stopped for a speeding ticket. Madame, like that's French for whatever. Mrs. Whatever. Miss. You know how fast you were going? You were speeding. Oh my God, I didn't notice. I was going over the bridge. She just got a Mustang. So I just wanted to try the speed of the car and see how it goes. Oh, okay. Don't do it again. You let her go. But I shouldn't be a hypocrite because, to be honest with you, a cop stopped. A cop went in the opposite lane against traffic to stop me. Very scary. Because I was committing 2 violations at the same moment. Actually, I think 3. Hold on, let me see. 1, 3! 3! I wasn't wearing my seatbelt. I was trying to turn in where there was 2 lines, 2 solid lines. You can't. And my car was covered in snow and I didn't clean it. That's the one that he saw and made him so angry. After he got me stopped, he pulled up beside me. He yelled at me, but he let me go. He didn't give me tickets, and which I couldn't believe because that was like probably $500 in tickets. And then he just went down the road and he parked. He parked to give cars tickets. So he's actually there to give tickets, and he let me go. And he was angry at me. Okay. Algo right here is looking to go short, 23 seconds. Topstep X might go short. I'm going to ride one with the algo. The algo can't have such a... I mean, of course the algo can have such a bad day. That's a stupid sentence to say. I'm not going to get in early because every time I get in early, I pay the price and I end up getting a worse entry. 3, 2, 1, short. Okay, can the algo get one right today? I think it got one right for, I don't know, a bunch of points, but I don't know for how many. I'm trading scared. You know what that means? That means I shouldn't be trading anymore. Trading scared is I don't want to take a loss. So as soon as I go in a little bit of profit, I'm going to reduce the risk. Now, what's the point of that? Because it can go into a full loss right now. So, that's pretty stupid. 14-point range. Hold on, let me see. 80. It's got to go to 94. At least it's over that line there. Do you know honest reason it costs less to take him or home? Yeah, of course. Not a crime if you walk for jail. Yeah. No, I don't think it's a crime here, too, if you're walking drunk. You're just a nuisance. No coffee. What's the price I want to see? I won't scream in the mic. 93 minus 14. Who can figure that out? I don't need my fingers and my toes. That's 79 and we're going there, so I like it. There we go. Now let me mark off. Oh, it's true. I have no idea where the lines are with the algo because this is the second trade for the algo and the algo only takes 1. So it's 13 points. 80, 67. What happened? That's the take profit line. And 80 plus 13 is 93. Let's draw it in just like right there. Which line gets hit first? We drink coffee lots. That would be a huge job for today, Rich. Okay, I have my take profit lines. I got they're both blue on the picture-in-picture chart. I didn't recolor them, but you do have the dash line here, orange, which is the previous day's low. Same area. I'm going to take one more off. Why not? Now it's kind of like a riskless trade. And I think if we go up to 88, I'm out. So my stop's going to be at 88. Like I said, I'm trading with... I'm trading like a scared trader. I don't want to lose. So that's good enough. That's good enough. We'll leave it there. If anybody has a complaint, take it up with OFT. You know what? I'm thinking we can maybe, if we can get a momentum candle, we can break through. Oh my God, do I just see what I just saw? Shit, damn. That's like the short of the century right there. I missed it. Ah, is Canada expensive? Mikey. That was where I could have taken a stand right there. That's coding I did on the weekend. That's something new and it's something good. Oh well. Oh well. And there's the 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get 2-to-1. I'll target 2-to-1. Is Canada expensive? I would say yes. I would say yes. We had quite a bit of inflation for a while here, and everything shot up quite rapidly. And wages, earnings didn't keep up with it. So quite a lot of items are up 50 to 100% over the past, let's say, 3 years since good old Biden came in. I don't know. I'm not a smoker. I think it's over $10 Canadian now. James, are you in the room? Do you know how much a pack of cigarettes is? I think it's over $10 a pack. I know a friend of mine went to go buy a carton. I don't know, a carton I think is, I don't know, 10 packs, 12 packs. Okay, I'm getting out. I'm getting out because I just don't like it. And it's coming up to my entry. I think they paid over $200 for a carton of cigarettes. I don't know how many come in a carton, but like when I heard that, I said, wow, I can't believe you're smoking. Are you on the charts, Dave? I have to start a diet soon. It's $19 Canadian. Oh, okay. You know what? It could be the same thing here. Let me Google it. You know what? I'm going to try something. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. How much is a pack? We'll see how right ChatGPT is. And then we'll compare cigarettes in Canada. I mean, a pack. There's so many. How much is a regular pack? No, not fancy cigarettes. A regular pack in general. So a regular pack of cigarettes in general in Canada. ChatGPT. Searching the news. The cost of a pack of 20 cigarettes in Canada varies, of course, by the province and the company, but in Quebec, where I am, it is $11.68. That's the cheapest of all of Canada. And the most expensive is 15. So 11 to 15. So let's say $13. Now, let's do, just out of curiosity, change Canada to Finland. And then I'm curious, I'm going to check. It says around €10, March 25, for a pack of Marlboro in Helsinki, Finland. It's close. What about a kilogram of beef? There goes the short. That was a beautiful short. If you guys see those lines and I don't. Hey, how's it going? What, Chip? Here, a bottle of milk costs 1 kidney. And bread the second kidney. 12 at the moment. 12 kidneys? Yeah, no, everything's gotten crazy. The other day I went to go buy steaks. 2 shitty steaks. Okay, rib steaks, no bone, but full of fat. 2 steaks, $30. We're a family of 5. Mostly 4 now, but family of 5. So what? You got to spend, it's like a supper's $100 now at home? You know what? I have no idea what the euro is at right now. I haven't looked for a long time. Last I looked, it was close to 1-to-1. Euro USD. I wonder what the Euro USD is at now. But that was a very long time ago. Could have been years. You're making me curious about a whole bunch of things. ChatGPT is my source of information now for everything. No more Google. Unless I'm looking for a website. Current quote for Euro USD is 1.0788. And the what's the current quote for CAD USD? $1.42. You guys figure out that conversion. Yeah, like I said, everything's expensive. Everything's expensive. What can you do? You gotta trade bigger. Okay, so well, we hit this. These blue lines here were targets. That was the stop. That was the that was the stop. That was the take profit. The trade was in here. The short. And it hit take profit. It even hit 2-to-1. But I got out at even because this little move here, I just didn't want to. Take care, OFT. Hit the like button if you didn't get a chance. Appreciate it. Talk tomorrow. And what do we got here? Well, we got some movement to the downside now. Let's see if I could find something. Maybe my phone just dinged. Maybe someone's telling me Tick Trader. I'm just getting a whole bunch of things from Tick Trader. I signed up on their Discord and now they think I'm their best friend. Oh, look how interesting. Now, please be advised that TraderVate is currently experiencing an issue within their admin dashboards that is temporarily preventing users from successfully pulling reports. Yeah. What else? Get lost. The team is working actively to investigate this matter and working diligently to restore full functionality. We understand the importance of having access to reports to stay appreciative to resolve this. So yesterday they went down and people lost their accounts. And now they want to make complaints and pull out the reports, and suddenly you can't access the reports. Ah, sounds like a conspiracy. I guess shit happens. I hope nobody had any problems with TradeEvade. No, Tick. Sorry, not Trade. Well, Tick and TradeEvade. And it was TradeEvade. It wasn't just Tick. Woodchip with Apex had a problem with Apex and TradeEvade. So it was a TradeEvade issue. And Joker Trades, his brother or his cousin, had a problem. I don't know what firm he's with. How's the Joker doing? Let me call out to him and see if he hears me. I think he shut me off. Let me go find him. Boom, boom, boom. Sounds like he's listening to bassy music. I'm going to scream in the mic, guys. Close your ears. We got to get his attention because over the regular ramble, he doesn't hear me. Joker! That'll catch his attention. If he's got me on. He got me. Okay. Now he doesn't know I'm going to scream. No, I did. It just, there's the delay, remember? No, there's the delay. I just lost 3 viewers because of that. That's not good. That's not a good strategy. I don't want to interfere, but yeah, but I lost half by screaming into the mic. I should have screamed louder and given them an earache. I'm still up for that co-stream in the afternoon if you're up for it. I think we'll have a good time. We trade quite a bit differently, so that's interesting. What's today? Today's Wednesday. Okay, let me put in a couple of trend lines. What does this look like on the 15-minute trade chart? I'm going to change scenes so you guys get to see the full 15-minute chart. Well, I don't see anything that I can judge from the 15-minute chart, unfortunately. If I take a look at the 30, I guess we can see some levels here at the 30, but they look quite a bit farther away then. $20,100, it's 100 points away. Markets are dumping. It's possible. I don't know what these lines are. So I got to get rid of them. If I don't know what they are, they're gone. They're gone, they're gone. Wow, look at that move higher. I mean lower. Higher. Talk about being confused. Well, now, if we get a break of that trend line to the upside, we can definitely maybe. How's that for commitment? We can definitely maybe see a move now back up to the previous day's low at 292. And now we have some room to run a little bit at least. Okay. So small green day. Let's recap. Small green day. An embarrassingly low number again. But it's better than red. It was about an 85% day. I made mistakes again, but I caught him quite quickly. I took a shot, not at crazy volume, at a really good entry. It was an A+. It just didn't work out. Yeah, it just didn't work out. It was the wrong time. I can see exactly what candle it was at. It was at, if I'm not mistaken, yes, I'm pretty sure it was at the 1058 candle. We can look at it right here. Yeah, it was right in this area here, 1058. I can even guess it was on this candle here before I even put the cursor on. And then I was long and it went against me. I took out a piece because 3 of my systems went long. All at the same time. It was like a boop, 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 boop. It's very rare. I jumped in. I took a position with all of them based on their size. 1056. Yeah, and I said 1058. This is always off by a minute. So it was at 1057 that I took it in this area. Went long. I got out of partial with a loss because of topstep. That was out. I got out of a partial because of the algo trader. Let's go to 1058. I'm sure 1058 right there. You can see it at the same area. A small loser. So those two got out, and it was 3 trades. And the third trade was where? It was a bounce off the previous day's low, which I was playing front running. So since we didn't get a full candle below, I didn't get out on that piece, and I took a small profit over there. So in general, it didn't work out, but I took my shot. Now we're gonna get maybe another short. We just had a huge trade that I really didn't participate in. What I mean by huge is, let me tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 70, 98 points. Topstep caught a 98-point runner to the downside, and I didn't catch any of it. I don't trade my topstep too often, and I even have a sticker on my monitor that's in the wrong place. It says, take topstep trades. I'm forgetting about topstep. I have to move this sticker onto the chart. I have it in the gray area. See my, it's a monitor that you guys don't see because I can't connect it, but can you see that? Take topstep trades, because I am forgetting. And I got to put it somewhere. Where do I got to put it that I see it? I got to make it neon. How about right there? I don't even care that I'm getting glue, tape glue on my monitor. It's still dark. Okay, maybe on the top here where the thing is white. Yeah, that's better. It's in the white. I see it better. I hope. Still not good enough, though, because you know what happens? You start to ignore it. You see it all the time, and you just, I don't know, there's an expression for it, but you become blind to it. You know, you're not taking it in. It's like I put a note here about no adding, no chasing, no FOMO on my monitor. And after 2 days, I forgot about it. But I do review this sheet. I do a little meditation, and I review this sheet every morning before I start trading. And this sheet now, it's been 1, 2, 3, 5, 9 or 10 trading days that I've been trading over 80%. And I'm very hard on myself. Actually, I think even over 85%. So that's excellent, just to let you know. Oh, and if you want to know what this is, let me show it to you. Look at the top corner, top left corner, where it says subscribe. Give it 30 seconds. It's going to change. You're not going to see subscribe there anymore. And you're going to see what this paper is. Let it change. Count to 30. I know you guys with PDL, not with PDLLs, with ADHD, 30 seconds is a lifetime. Hasn't changed on my screen yet, so you're still 8 seconds behind. Or maybe I did it for a minute at a time, just so it sticks up there, because I want it in my face too. There we go. So it's changing on my screen. You're going to get it in 8 seconds, and you're going to see what this is. And there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. This is the first one, risk plan. This tells me what size I can trade. So I'm on a 250K account. So you see I can go as high as 8. I don't think I went higher than 8 today. Actually, I've traded mostly. I'm on a both the accounts I traded are both 250K accounts. Here. Hold on a sec. Here, I think I snuck them in. You can see them there, maybe in the corner. You can see that they're 250K accounts. Let me just see. No, that didn't work. Hold on. Let me just move my screen. Move it over a little bit there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look on the right side, you'll see it says 250. So they're 250,000 accounts. And I've been trading them with 2 lots, 3 lots, and 4 lots micro. So I've been really way under my risk plan. Yeah, I missed it. I was going to slam it.
Took it.
Yeah.
Topstep. And I wanted this low.
Okay. Please don't tell me you got stopped at a break even.
Yeah.
You and your break even.
But when it hit my 1-to-1, I moved myself to break even.
Uh-huh.
I didn't want to take any parts, so I wanted the full $3 grand, you know, to hit a home run.
Would have been a fucking home run. Too bad for that fucking bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is.
The ones that go down are so far, it's like a 90%.
Yeah. Oh, come take a look at this.
What?
Tick, tick. Let me try and get it open.
Wait, you're like an autistic kid. You're closing your phone.
No, I know. I'm trying to get it. Don't. It was an alert, and I don't know from where. I don't know where it came from. It's most likely Discord. Okay, so let me go into Discord. Tick, tick.
What are you doing? You're on TikTok. Yeah, keep close. Yo, you are actually autistic.
No, I'm not.
You're autistic.
I don't know how to use phones. Oh no, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, go find their. They're talking about Trade Evade. There's problems with Trade Evade. They just released something a second ago. It is that one right on there on the top. Tick,
Yeah, I was on it. I'm just don't know where they're gonna talk about it.
Announcements probably. I viewed it so it could be gray, you know? Is that it? Yeah, Trade Evade right there.
This is today.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Today. Now no one can get their reports. Obviously, if everybody needs their reports, nobody needs their reports. Obviously, if everyone needs their reports,
That's what you wanted to show me?
yeah, as I said, they're having a problem.
Oh fuck! I wanted that $3,000.
Hey,
Uh,
the bottom message.
I wanted that $3,000.
Hello.
I wanted that.
Come on, show a little more enthusiasm. David says hello with enthusiasm.
Fuck, man, break even. Should have taken the 1-for-1.
No, you should have taken a partial. If you could have had a bigger size. Is that you with the hearts all the time? Yeah, Joker didn't show up. I was hoping Joker would show up. Oh well, I wanted to talk to him. I'll send him an email. Yes. Yeah, I don't know what you're saying yes to because what? Because there's a delay. By the time you hear me, and then by the time you reply, I forgot what the question was. The hearts. Ah, okay. Call me on my cell. What are you doing typing in here? It's time for me to shut down anyways. Quiet day. Didn't do too much. Up on the 2 accounts that count, and that's it, but small. Small, need to trade larger. Those numbers are too small. Way too small. Man, I'm getting a headache. I'm getting a headache. Let me see why I'm getting a headache. Hold on, let me turn on my phone. You missed some funny stuff before. It's too bad you didn't connect. A little bit earlier, you would have laughed. Hold on. Boom! Hey, buddy, thank you for the soap. Really good. Ouch. I don't even want to look at it. Okay. One more trade or do I quit? Maybe I do work in the afternoon and I watch those trend lines and I see. Even though we're... What the fuck? Even though... Yeah, maybe come back at 1:30 or 2 o'clock. I can do work here. I had a good night's sleep. I went to bed early-ish, I think. I'm gonna give my wife a call. See how she slept. Okay, so thanks for showing up, whoever's in the room. Not very talkative, but that's okay. I talk to myself. It's getting, it's good practice for when I'm old and crazy. I'll know how to talk to myself. So I'm up on my topstep account. I'm up on my Apex accounts. And my simulation accounts are down. So how much more can you ask for? That's perfect, right? That's where you want your losses to be. On your practice accounts, on your simulation accounts. So that's good. Hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. Hit the like because it helps push the video out a little bit. Not too much because it's a small channel still. So every little bit really helps. And I'm closing up shop. Maybe I'll show up in the afternoon. Maybe even I'll track Joker and we'll do a co-stream. But we do have to get organized for that. I have a trade. I'm going to try for a small one here if I can because I'm getting in at a better price. The official entry was 88 and it's at 92. I'm 4 points better. That takes off some of the risk. I'm happy with that. I'll remove one here. Takes off more of the risk. And even more of the risk, and now it's a riskless trade. You know what's not? You know what's? There's nothing better than a riskless trade. I have a 50% chance of going down to 74. Yes, I know that. I know that over almost 3,000 trades that are identical to this trade. There's a 50% chance we trade down to 74. So I'm going to put in, is it 50? No, it's 49.13. There, I'll give you the exact number. There's my buy limit. And I'll put in my buy stop when necessary. When is it necessary? It's going to be necessary when we get down to 81. Other than that, I'm going to run it manually. I would really like to see it push lower and push lower fast. My daughter's home. Let me scream. Hold on. Shutting the mic. Let's get to 81. 86 bid. 87. Actually, I got to look at the offering. I got to get 81 on the offer, and it's at 91, 92. Too high. Too high. Too high to start calling it out. Let's get into the 80s. 89 on the offer. 88. Back up to 90. No good. 89, 88. Let me see an 87 and stay. Look at all the price changes you get on Topstep X. You don't get that in Apex with Trade Evade. Apex with Trade Evade, it's change. That's how often the prices change. On Topstep X, it's change. It's like a machine gun. You get so much more real price action. That's why I like my Topstep X chart. That's why it's the #1 chart. Really? Why are you calling there? That's crazy. Ah, there we go. Yeah, hold on. Let me turn my speaker up. Where are you all going? You're all running away. Why am I screaming to you? If you all ran away, you don't hear me. I missed the trade to the downside. I missed the trade to the upside. Okay, that's cool. However, oh, hold on. There's one more line I can draw. Am I being a degenerate by still sticking around? Maybe I should leave. Why so loud? I don't know. I'm energetic this morning. I gotta raise the volume. I have a potential long trade if we break the high of the previous candle, but it's inside a bearish fair value gap, and I'm not a bearish fair value gap guy or bullish fair value gap. So should I take it or should I not take it? What chip? You let me know. It's distorting. Yes, I'm redlining it probably. There we go. Should be better. I'm talking too close. The mic, look, see? The mic is right by my mouth. Let's see. Let me see what you see. I don't know why it doesn't show on the camera. It's like right there. Let me move it away. Doesn't matter. There's nobody here. I can distort. What does it matter? I consider this a private channel. I should call it private futures floor. Nobody's here anyways. Good thing I didn't take the long. Do you have a position? No. You probably hear that because the mic is connected to the desk. So, are we forming a little bit of a head and shoulders? Let's see. Can I remember? Control F4. Did I get it right? 1. I did, finally. I don't see a head and shoulders here. What was I even thinking? Nothing. I know what I was thinking. Let me try again. 1, 2, 3. Allow me some poetic license. There we go. Look at that. That's my prediction, and it never lets go. Get off my friggin' mouse. There we go. So, what do I have? What do I have that can give me a stop here? How about a close below that trend line? I'll enter. If we get a close below those descending trend lines, problem is we can trade lower and we can just we can ride them lower and not close below them. Anyways. This is a new trade. It's an undefined. It's not a playbook trade. So it lowers my score for discipline for today. That's already a bad thing. And it makes me realize that I shouldn't be in it. And since I realize that, 1, 2, 3, green, red, whatever it is, I shouldn't even be in this trade. Okay, 12:18. I'm going. I will probably not stream in the evening. I don't know. No promises either way. Maybe I'll stream in the afternoon if I'm in the mood. Maybe I'll stream at 6. But I will be back tomorrow at 9:15 in the morning. Thanks for showing up. And I'll see you for sure tomorrow.